Hi guys, today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. As you can see, someone already pressed it. And yes, I am dressed as Baller. Stop posting about Baller. And also the colors aren't right, I think. I wish I had a ball. Whoa, this guy's skinny. Baller. 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 I keep saying baller for no reason. I'm gonna feed you a ball. Pretend that there's a ball in my hand. Boom. Now you're gonna eat me. You look just like me, but it's blue. Ow. Well, that was boring. Okay. This is the button play. Oh my gosh, I forgot to press the button before everyone else does. What? Whoa. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. And and here I am at the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothers me anyway. Oh no, there's no jumping. Yay! Let me press the button. This is the other side of the bridge. I already did that. Let's wait for them to finish. Watch out! Oh wait! Jason, look, has a sword. Let's hide from him. Let's hide from him. Stop posting about Baller. Stop posting about Baller. What? Who has the knife? Huh? I'm so confused. Who has the knife? Oh, I just fell. No. Baller. Got on the pillars. I died by falling. So yeah. Oh. Avoid getting frozen. Get to the end. Jump, jump, Baller. Ooh. Oh, come on. What? It was right behind it. You won! I won! But not the first winner. I wish I could eat this. No, it just looks like ice cream. Why does that look like a butt? Sus. Ooh, money! I miss sticks. Like if you remember sticks. Like if you remember sticks. Baller! Stop. Ooh, it's nighttime. Ooh, I got this. Be careful. There are mines. What are mines? Too bad I already reached the end because blah blah blah. Oh wait. Shame. Don't fall off. I thought you had a knife. Come on. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Posting baller, 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 posting baller. Why is that girl keep building in that guy? Ooh, red room. Baller, 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 baller. Hi, my name's Baller. Survive. The dark. Get to the unknown. 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 Yay! We won! As it is spreading. I'm not sure if this is cheating or not, but I just stayed at the middle and I'm just gonna press this button. I keep pressing the button. Get ready. Get on the red pad. Get on the green pad. Get on the yellow pad. Whoa! Wait, how did that girl made it? She's a hacker. Oh my gosh, that's a hacker. I don't know if it's glitching. Okay, she died. Get on the red pad. Wait! Why did someone place a banana? Banana. Fireplace. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Get close to the light. Stay close to the light. Where am I going? Come on. No. Big brain. What do you mean? I already have a big brain. Aliens. No, don't take me. Don't take me. Please. No. I'm not a cat. Don't take me. Constantly goes again. No, I want to go. No, it's gone. Don't fall down the lava. What lava? Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, I didn't saw that. So to go to buy your wow. Ooh. Go YouTube. No. Sub to 3 dumpling ducks. You know who that is? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess who? Me. 6 players won. But I might change my where are we? Ooh, a wall. Can someone build so I can go up? And then where are we? In the maze. We are in the maze. And also I watched crew get in the maze and found the exit. Oh, hi there. Okay, there's nothing there. Baller, baller, baller. Stop posting about baller. Baller, baller, baller. Oh, there's a barrier. Oh. Hey, grab the sheet that is for find the square. Find the science school green witch. Find a bright red ball. Orange hexagon. What is the circle? Right, yellow star. Find a pink circle. A banana? Someone really? One. Baller! 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 I'm in 6th place. Oh, come on. Am I? Let's just sit. Let me press it. Yay. Put out the fires. What fire? Where? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I know. What? How do I use it? Oh, wait. Blue. I'm a blue team. What? Oh. Huh. That was weird. I don't know how to do that. Baller, baller, baller. Why do I keep saying? Oh no, avoid being grilled. Okay, now it's that. Now it's that. Oh, ball! A ball! I need that ball! I need that ball! Give me that ball. Give me a ball. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. I'm reaching the top. Huh? What? I thought that was the... I'm just not gonna find the fireworks because I'm lazy. Bye. I have 0. Ooh, 2023. It's 2023. We know that. I really want to escape. Who wants to escape? Raise your hand. I mean jump, because you can't raise your hand in Roblox. Oh, you can. Raise your hand in Roblox. Yay. Wee, baller. Just gonna pretend to be an NPC. Doesn't matter, put the phone away. One with 3 points. Your press. Or go. Ah! The ball is gone. Oh, it's gone. Didn't respawn. Wee. That's me, baller. Baller. Stop posting about baller. Doesn't matter, put the phone away. Dinos! No, I don't. Oh, it's a baby dino! That's so cute! Take cover under the umbrellas. No, stop! No, where's the umbrella? Oh my gosh, that's a big dino. That's a small dino. Where there's tall dinos. The dinos are tall and some of the dinos are small. That dino over there's hiding from us. There, that dino. And also that really big dino can see everyone. There, that really big dino. Oh, you lost your dino costume. Oh, a banana. Reach the end. What? Oh wait, Why am I touching the cactus? Whee! What? I thought this was a speed pad. But it was a jumping pad. Happy, but not as happy. Yo. Why do I have this? That's this. That's suspicious. Oh. Yo, if you got sketches on, get out my face, bro. Yo, if you got sketches on, get out my face, bro. Checkpoint. Aw, the ear is gone. Stay clear of moving platforms. What moving platform? Oh, banana. You want to eat that banana, but it has nothing inside it because someone ate it. And why does it look like a K? Ooh. What happened? No. I'm gonna drink water. Oh wait, what's that mine? Ooh, a pickaxe. I'm thirsty. Refresh. Complete the odd piece to build the snowman. Frosty the snowman has been built. Frosty the snowman, where was the snowman? Get to the other side. I have to look both ways. Yeah! I'm pro! And look at my thumb and look at the thumbnail. I know, right? Okay. Whoa, jump on the logs to reach the end. What log? Whoa. Oh no, come on. This is really hard. And that's the end of the video. Bye guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment baller.